Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the color tint for your app icons on your iPhone running iOS 18. So iOS 18 has brought a new feature where you can now add tint to your app icons on your home screen. So let me show you how you can do this. So it's very simple. Go ahead and long press on an empty space on your home screen. Then tap on Edit at the top left once the app starts to jiggle. Here you need to tap on Customize, and now you'll get this menu here from the bottom. So to tint your apps here on your home screen, go ahead and tap on Tinted. This will now start to tint it. Now you can go ahead and choose the color of tint you like. And you can customize it as per your choice. Now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on the icon here, and that will basically set it to the tinted color which you set. So there you go. That is how to color tint your app icons on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.